Hello, friends. Do you want to speak English easily? A story will help you step by step. Read every line and repeat after me. Use short and simple words in your daily life. Let's start the magic story of the talking mirror.
Adrian Cole lived in Willowbrook. He was 15 years old. He loved to explore. One morning, he went to the attic. The attic was full of dust. He opened a wooden trunk. Inside, he saw old books. He saw some broken toys. Then he found a mirror. The mirror looked very old. It had a golden frame. The glass was clear, but it felt alive. Adrian touched the glass. The mirror whispered, "Adrian." He jumped back. His heart beat fast. He looked around. No one was there. The voice came again. "Adrian, don't be afraid." Adrian whispered. "Who are you?" The mirror said. "I am your friend." Adrian asked. "How can a mirror talk?" The mirror laughed softly. "I am special. I can talk. I can teach you," Adrian said. "Teach me what?" The mirror replied. "Teach you English." Adrian's eyes grew wide. "English, really?" "Yes," said the mirror. "I will speak. You will repeat. Together we learn." Adrian smiled. He wanted to learn better English. He sat on the floor. "Okay, let's start," he said. The mirror shined brighter. "Say, hello. My name is Adrian." Adrian repeated. "Hello. My name is Adrian." The mirror said, "Good. Now smile." The mirror said, "We use small sentences." Adrian nodded. The mirror spoke slowly. "Say, I am happy." Adrian repeated. "I am happy." "Say, I am hungry." Adrian repeated. "I am hungry." The mirror said, "Good. Now change words." Adrian tried. "I am tired." The mirror clapped. "Very good, Adrian." Adrian laughed. He felt proud. Learning was fun. The attic felt magical. Suddenly, the mirror glowed more. "Adrian, let's learn daily talk," Adrian said. "Okay. I am ready," the mirror asked. "How are you?" Adrian answered. "I am fine. Now you ask me," said the mirror. Adrian asked. "How are you?" The mirror replied. "I am good." They both laughed. Adrian felt more confident. Adrian kept visiting the attic. Every day, he practiced English. The mirror became his secret friend. He never told anyone, not even his parents. The mirror taught greetings. It taught simple questions. It taught daily answers. "Say, what is your name?" Adrian repeated. "What is your name?" The mirror replied. "My name is Mirror." Adrian smiled. "You are a funny friend." The mirror said, "Friends make learning easy." Adrian nodded. One afternoon, Adrian's cousin Lily visited. She was 13. She was smart and curious. She followed Adrian to the attic.